Hello student, very good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are happy, healthy and fine at home. Do you remember what were we discussing yesterday? I think yesterday we were discussing about the multiple choice question type and why we are learning as a multiple choice question. The reason, as we know, that due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the whole world is facing that pandemic, and due to this reason most of the continuous internal assessment as well as university examination are online mode, and that's why we are studying this type of the multiple choice question or the objective type question. And look at here today, so far we have discussed 24 question multiple choice question. Now 25, because we are learning the objective question on chapter number 1. The name of that chapter is a polynuclear and the heteronuclear aromatic compound. That is the semester 5. The 2019 pattern CBCS 2019 pattern. We are learning this one. Pattern. This is a CBCS 2019 pattern we are, and so most of that. So let us see here. Molecular formula of anthracene is dash dash. So these are the options given here, and for justification, which of the correct option, which of the correct answer from these 4 alternative, for that purpose you must know the structure of the anthracene. This is a linearly fused polycyclic polynuclear aromatic compound it is. And now as we know that each corner containing carbon atom, so look at here, 1, 2, 3 bonds are there, and there must be 1 hydrogen atom. Look at here once again, 1, 2, 3 bond, so there must be hydrogen atom. Here also one of the hydrogen atom. At this corner, here also has one of the hydrogen atom. Look at here, at this corner there is already 4 bond, carbon satisfying 4 valency, 1, 2, 3 and 4 bonds, so no need. But here you must attach 1 hydrogen atom, and here once again there is a carbon atom. It has all 4 bonds are satisfied the valency 1, 2, 3, 4, and therefore no hydrogen atom. But here one of the hydrogen atom, at this corner point hydrogen atom, here also has a hydrogen atom, here once again hydrogen atom, and at this corner point there will be a hydrogen atom. Now count each corner contain carbon atom, and if you see the here you can start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we started from here. Remember, from here, let me label here carbon atom. Starting from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here carbon 14, and count the number of hydrogen atom. Can start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Look at here C14 and H10. Is there option? Yes, first option is there. So it will be the correct answer for this alternative. So let us move on to the next question. Next question will be select the linearly fused, select the, let us see here, second question number 26. Let me clean the board first, then we will see question number 26. See here, question number 26. Select the linearly fused, select the linearly fused, select the linearly fused polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbon, polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbon. Select the linearly fused polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbon. Suppose A is there. Let's see, A is biphenyl, B would be phenanthrene, C would be anthracene, and D will be all of these. All of these. Look at here. Select the linearly fused polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbons. Let's see here, biphenyl, structure of biphenyl, as we know that it is not the fused, it is isolated aromatic compound, biphenyl. Phenanthrene, as we know that the structure of phenanthrene will be this one, here double bond, and putting here. So this is the another aromatic compound, but it is not linearly fused. Let us see the structure of anthracene. Everybody knows that this is the structure of anthracene. See, all the benzene rings are linearly fused. You can see this one is a linearly fused polynuclear aromatic, poly means many, aromatic hydrocarbons, as we know that the organic compound which is made by carbon and hydrogen atom only, that type of the compounds are known as hydrocarbons, and therefore C would be the correct answer. Now let us move on to the next question, question number 7. Let me see what is it. The question number 7 would be, how many hydrogen select angular fused polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbon? Select angular fused, select angular fused polynuclear aromatic compound, polynuclear aromatic compound, polynuclear aromatic compound. Select angular fused polynuclear aromatic compound, and the options are A, anthracene, B, phenanthrene, and C, the biphenyl once again, biphenyl, and D would be none of this, none of this. Once again, just now in a previous example we have seen the structure of anthracene, phenanthrene, biphenyl. Let us see once again. The structure of anthracene is a linearly fused, as we know that this is a structure of anthracene, and phenanthrene, we know that the 3 benzene ring fused together. At what kind they are fused? They are fused angularly. And the biphenyl, as we know that these 2 benzene rings are separated by one single bond, that is the structure of biphenyl. So angular fused, 3 benzene rings are fused, but one is like this. So the correct answer would be the B is the correct answer we have seen over here. Now let us move on to the next question number 28. Question number 28 would be like this. Let us see here. Electrophilic substitution of electrophilic substitution reaction preferred substitution, electrophilic substitution reaction of anthracene preferred at which carbon? Preferred at which carbon? At which carbon? And the answers are A, C, C1, B, C2, C, C9, and D, C3, electrophilic substitution reaction of anthracene preferred at which carbon? The number of carbons are given, C1, C2, C9, C3. Now, if you remember the numbering system in anthracene, then and then you can able to find out the correct option from these 4. Otherwise, it is very difficult. Now, let me elaborate here. The structure of anthracene is this one. You can see clearly. This is the structure of, and the numbering, you can start from this side or this side, either this side or this side, doesn't matter. But let us see the conventional way of numbering system. The number start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And generally electrophilic substitution reaction occur either C9 or C10 because both are equally equal or identical chemical environment around it, and therefore the electrophilic substitution preferentially or exclusively occur at C9 position. Remember here, C9 position or C10 position, these are the positions. C9 and C10 are the identical position, and they are the preferred position where the electrophilic substitution reaction can occur. So see the options. Is there C9? Is there? Yes. C would be the correct answer for this reaction. Now, all carbon atom, let's see here, all carbon atom in anthracene are. Let us see the next question, next multiple choice question, that is a question number 29. Let me clean first. Question number 29. All carbon atom in naphthalene are. All carbon atoms in anthracene are dash dash hybridized, dash dash hybridized, dash dash hybridized. Let's see, options are as follows. A, sp hybridized, sp. B would be sp2, C would be sp3, and D would be all of this. What do you think? Which will be the correct options from this? Now let us see once again, or I am providing you the justification. Look at, every carbon atom has a double bond character, and when double bond character is there everywhere, and that's why it shows as a sp2 hybridization, and that becomes as a trigonal geometry. The bond angle is 113, sp2 hybrid orbital. Yesterday I have shown like this. I think this would be the structure of sp2 hybridized. It has a fixed geometry and the direction, and therefore is there answer B would be the correct answer for this question. All carbon atoms in anthracene are sp2 hybridized. Now let us move on to the next question. Next question would be question number 29. Question number 29 would be, how many sigma bonds present in anthracene? How many sigma bonds are present in anthracene, C. How many sigma bonds are present in anthracene? So let us see. The options are as follows. A, here is 18, B 19, C would be 20, and D 21. What do you think, which will be the correct answer? How many sigma bonds are present in anthracene? So let's draw the structure of anthracene first. This is a structure of anthracene. Now sigma bond means carbon. Look at here, single bond, whether it is a carbon-carbon or carbon-hydrogen atom. Specifically we are talking here about the hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means the organic compound which is made by carbon and hydrogen, and therefore it is known as a hydrocarbon. Look at here, the hydrogen atom here also has a hydrogen atom. Every corner except middle one, because they are already having 4 bonds, and therefore there will be no hydrogen atoms. See here. Now first find out the sigma bond. Here I am marking here. This is one of the sigma bond. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Look at, there are 19 sigma bonds are present in anthracene. So you can mark it. B is the correct answer for this. Now let us move on to the next question. Question number 30. Let me here just changing the nature of question. The options are accordingly changing. See here, how many pi bonds, how many pi bonds are present, how many pi bonds are present in anthracene, how many pi bonds are present in anthracene? Now once again see the options here. Maybe 5, let's see here, 5, B 6, C 7 and D would be the 8. What do you think, which would be the correct answer? Now once again draw the structure of the naphthalene. See here, draw the structure of the anthracene. This is a structure, 3 benzene ring fused together, and the resulting compound obtained will be this one. See here. And now how many pi bonds are present in anthracene? So just count the number of pi bonds here. I am starting from here, remember, 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Is there option? C would be the option correct option over here. So this is the answer of this question. So here let us see the next question, question number 31. Let us see here question number 31. Question number 31 would be like this. Treatment of benzene with treatment of benzene with phthalic anhydride. Treatment of benzene with phthalic anhydride. Phthalic, not phthalic. Treatment of benzene with phthalic anhydride. Phthalic anhydride. In the presence of AlCl3, in the presence of AlCl3, proceed toward a reaction. Proceed toward a reaction. Proceed toward a reaction. Proceed toward a reaction to give anthracene. Treatment of benzene with phthalic anhydride. In the presence of AlCl3, proceed toward a reaction to give anthracene. The options are given. A would be Haworth reaction, Friedel-Crafts reaction. First one would be this is a 31, question number 31. Friedel-Crafts reaction. B would be Haworth reaction, and C would be Diels-Alder reaction. Diels-Alder reaction, and D would be Fittig reaction. What do you think? Generally, naphthalene and anthracene prepared first time. The name of that scientist is the Haworth, and that's why it is known as a Haworth reaction. So look at second one. Second option would be the correct over here. So I think with this, let us stop today here. Remaining multiple choice question we will discuss in our next lecture. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.